Here's how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows. So first, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen, and in the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar to find it. Now in the Settings window, you need to click on Apps, and then simply go ahead and select Default Apps, that is below Apps and Features. And here you can set the default applications for different file types and links. To set Chrome as your default browser, go to the Web Browser section, tap on Choose a Default, then select Google Chrome, and you'll be done. You can further customize the default settings. For example, if Edge is still as default for certain file types, you can click on Edge and then select Chrome. And scroll down and repeat the process to set Chrome as a default for any other file types or links that you want it to handle. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.